Okay, here's the hoedown lowdown. I did go with the chiffon chalk paint at Home Depot. I was trying not to make a spectacle of ourselves there, so I was trying to be quiet. We came on over to the house. JPT's taking out some bushes and some roots for the condensers. The AC condensers were placed, and it just didn't work where the HVAC guys put them. And so we met this morning with them, and we all agreed we'll move them around the corner. So if you hear noises, it's just him out there pulling roots. But I did go with the chiffon chalk paint for the cabinets in here, and I wanted just to show you the upper cabinets have been chiffoned. And then I'll have JPT come in and shore that cabinet up. That needs anchored a little bit. It's pulling away from the top. I'll have him shore that up, and I will also then caulk any seams so that we'll have more of a built-in look and not the cheapy cabinets that they are. My intention was to rip the cabinets out. I was going to get the kitchen. I had no question. It was the first thing I said is we're tearing out the kitchen. But there's something about a challenge that I like, and if I can make something out of nothing, I'm all about it. So I'm going to give these cabinets a coat of chalk paint. I'll use the blue on the bottom and the chiffon on the top, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how we like them, because we've lost nothing. We were just going to take them out and use them in my potting shed and upstairs in the laundry room on the second level laundry. So, if it turns out great, right on. And if it doesn't, we haven't lost anything. Now, I would not choose these cabinets for myself. If I were building a home, I'm used to solid oak cabinets, but they don't really look that bad, do they? They don't look that bad. If we just sand them down and caulk them in and cover them, like here's some trouble area. See how that's peeling, and I'm just going to sand it. And we'll see how it goes. Just wanted to show you what's happening over here. That's the white on the top, and that's the chiffon. I think in the daylight we'll be able to see better. I just didn't want to not document this part and get it all finished and not be able to show you the before and after better. And there's the green cabinet. We'll put it up there at the ceiling. We'll put the oven and stove, the range under it. And that's the progress so far, folks. This is where we're at in the kitchen. I hope everybody's having a good day. We'll talk to you next time.